Welcome to our live show. Welcome. So this 360 degrees for the machine, and this is the details of our DS-G250. The height of the machine, the down seat, the micrometer, and the control panel. So the control panel, the details for the control panel. For a hose crimping machine, the following parts are very important. The height of the machine, the motor, the pump. This is a motor. And this is a valve, belongs to the electric part. So the electric box, oil tank, all these parts are very important, which can consist the hose crimping machine.